Welcome back. While most chatbot guess, this one only answer from the data you gave it. Today we are building a floating AI chat widget for the AI front-end playground. The same kind of assistant you'd put on a production site, trained on your features, not the whole internet. Watch the two quick demos. First, I'll send what demos are available. It gives me the information, the demos that the bot is aware about. Let's say, how does the semantic search work? Wait for the replies. If you notice, it knows semantic search is about embeddings and meaning because we put that knowledge in the system prompt. That's the whole idea. One widget, one route, product context you control. Let's build it from scratch. First, let's register this episode in our playground. So we add the information in demo.ts. In this demo, we add the new icon, we add or introduce new type, defining what color palette that we want to use. I'll bring the information about what the card is going to contain. So it will hold the information about what the description, what's the title is going to be, and the respective tags like use, chat, widget, and the layout. Let's save the changes and refresh the browser. We see the new card added to the playground. We do not have the page, so let's go and add the new page for the chat. This page is static on purpose. The widget itself is not owned by this page. The copy just tells viewers, look bottom right, it's already mounted on the layout. Reload the page and see. Okay, let's rerun it and just see if we see the static page getting displayed. Okay, so now we have the page getting displayed. Create a new chat widget component. I'll get the existing code for this and paste it over here. So now we have the page and the chat widget content. Chat widget is mostly UI. It has floating buttons, panel open close, message bubble, input and send. The important piece is tiny, which is useChat from the Vercel AI SDK pointed to our new route with default chat transport. We see one welcome message to the panel, it's empty. One submit, we call send messages with the text and clear the input. And while status is submitted or streaming, we show a bounce loader or disable to send. So we should not be able to send a message once it has been processing one. That is for the client. No product knowledge lives here. The widget is just UI that talks to a route. Next, we mount it once for the whole app. In app layout, we import chat widget and drop it next to the children in the body. So it's a one-line change and the assistant appears in every page, home, search, or whatever page that you look into. Okay, so what happens if we give this a try? Let's just try sending some random message. So once we send this message, we see a error response coming from this because the route is not yet implemented. So let's go and implement it. This is an important file. This is where the agent personality and knowledge live. First we have streamText and convertToModelMessage coming from the AI SDK. Next we have the product context. This is the training data in plain English, what the playground is. Every demo with its path, the stack that you knew and need an API key. That it's free for training learning. Change the string later, the bot's knowledge changes. That's your fin in product, FAQ, docs, pricing, whatever you want, you can provide that information. In post, we read message from the body. That's what useChat sends. We convert UI messages to the model message with convert to model message. Then stream text with a system prompt. You are in the playground assistant. Answer the feature and demos. 2-3 sentences max. Don't invent features. And we want to inject the product context into the system block and then it returns the client response in the stream tokens. Wrapped in a try catch because on the failure we log a return JSON with a 500. So the pattern is widget equals to UI, route is equals to policy plus the product knowledge and plus the streaming. So the AI only knows what you put into the context. Once this is saved, let's go and reload the browser and let's try to run the widget. I'll say to the chat, what is semantic search for you? And it's gonna learn from the context that we provided and can give me the information. So we wait and we get the streaming response with a semantic search in AI powered and all the information that it is aware about. Let's go and try. What is Canva, and do you know about it or any information that you have in your context? If it knows, it's gonna answer accordingly. Let's try something which is not in the context. I say, do you know what my hobbies are? And it straightforward is gonna give me the response saying this is out of my context or he's not aware about it, he can't. Next project in this series, an AI code reviewer. Paste a function, got a structured review, severity, line issues, and the refactor via the generate object and sort. If this helped, subscribe for more AI front-end playground episodes. Drop a comment if you want to follow up. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.